if you're experiencing Matchmaking Error 2025 on your Steam Deck. This guide will help you troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Follow these steps to get back to gaming smoothly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your Steam Deck is connected to a stable internet connection. You can test this by opening a web browser and visiting a website. If the connection is weak or unstable, try restarting your router or connecting to a different network. Step 2. Restart Steam Deck. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches. Power off your Steam Deck completely, wait for a few seconds, and then turn it back on. This can refresh the system and clear any minor errors. Step 3. Verify game files. If the error persists, verify the integrity of the game files. Open Steam, go to your library, right-click on the game experiencing the issue, select Properties, then navigate to the Local Files tab and click on Verify Integrity of Game Files. This will check for any corrupted files and replace them. Step 4. Update Steam and games. Ensure that both Steam and your games are updated to the latest versions. Open Steam, go to the library, and check for any available updates for your games. Also check for Steam client updates in the Steam menu. Step 5. Change Matchmaking region. If you're still facing issues, try changing your matchmaking region. Go to the game settings and look for the matchmaking or server settings. Select a different region to see if that improves your matchmaking experience. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the Matchmaking Error 2025 on your Steam Deck. If the problem continues, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance. Happy gaming!